Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's get started with this party look. This look is something which you can wear it either on the Christmas Eve, New Year's Eve, or even for the weddings for that matter. You know the usual drill. We're going to be starting with firstly moisturizing the skin. Here I'm using the moisturizer from the Face Shop, which is the chia seed moisturizer, patting it lightly into the skin. And I really like this moisturizer. It is very hydrating to the skin, and at the same time it doesn't make your skin look oily. Do not forget to cover your neck area as well. Thereafter, after about 2 to 3 minutes of the moisturizer sitting on your skin, I'm now going to be adding the primer. Using this primer, which is a silicone based primer from Colorbar, applying it on the area where it needs a little bit of correction because of my open pores. So else it would be generally the T-zone area and a little around the cheeks. Yeah. Also, in case if you find the left side of my face, that is the right side of you when you're viewing this video, to be a little swollen near the jawline, that is because I've had some dental treatment, and yeah, I have some stitches out over there and some swelling. But yeah, just wanted to make sure that I get across a good video to you all, so just decided of sitting down and making one. Then I have gone ahead and applied this concealer, which is the Age Rewind concealer from Maybelline. After having applied this on the eyelids, I am now using a stippling brush and trying to blend this. But yeah, as always, I always come back to this beauty blender. This is from YBB Cosmetics. Making sure that the concealer is blended well. Now I'm going to be taking this translucent powder from PAC and making sure that I set all the concealer on my eyelid for it to form a smooth base for the eyeshadow, as you can see here. Now coming to the star of this makeup, that is this amazing palette that I've recently bought from Wet n Wild, and the name of this eyeshadow palette is Comfort Zone. And trust me, I was really gravitated a lot towards the main eyeshadow color, which is like a little aqua green kind of a color, which has hints of gray, brown, and yeah, using these two lovely transition shades a little above my crease, the lighter one, and the dark one on my crease, making sure that I'm blending it well at the corner of my eye as well. And yeah, I do look a lot in pain in this video, but yeah, I think, you know, this is the shade that I'm talking about that really gravitated me to buy this entire palette. And I'm really happy because the colors are extremely pigmented, and yeah, I'm quite taken by surprise. And this is the application that I have applied without using any Fix Plus or spray. Since I wanted to intensify the color, then I used a little bit of spray from Colorbar. I have gone ahead and finished one of the eye, and now I'm going on with the other eye. I have also done my eyebrows off the camera. The product that I used for my eyebrows is one of the real amazing products from Miss Claire, which is an eyebrow cake. If you are not aware of it, I have made a video in regards to the same, so I will link it on top. Do go and view it. I believe it's one of the most affordable and most pigmented eyebrow palettes you know, available to us. Yeah, so I have also gone ahead and applied the transition shades on my lower lash line. I've applied the highlighter below my brow bone. Now I'm using the mascara, which is the Maybelline mascara. Make sure that you take a good time in applying this mascara on the upper as well as your lower lashes. And yes, after having done that, if you've got any product left on the wand of the mascara, do not dip it again into the product, and you can make sure that you are actually setting your eyebrow hair with the leftover mascara on the wand. Using these lovely lashes, mink lashes from PAC, which is M75, I have gone ahead and applied the lashes. And this is an amazing product from Benefit, which gives you an instant dewy look. And unfortunately it wasn't well captured in the camera, but for all of y'all, those who are really looking for a lovely dewy look, this is something that I would definitely recommend. This product, it is really amazing, applying it on the high points of my cheek. And yeah, because since I want this look to be dewy, I'm going to be applying it before application of the foundation and even after that. Thereafter, going ahead and concealing the areas that need a little bit of attention, that is a corner of my nose, around my mouth, and also the under eye area. And yeah, taking the beauty blender once again and dabbing the product into the skin. Here, as you can see, I'm trying to be a little cautious with the left side of my face, and yeah, swiftly working with the beauty blender. And after having applied that, I would move on to the application of foundation. And the foundation that I'm using is from Inglot, and it is the YSM foundation number 44, and I'm applying it with my fingers because I think it really works well. Only the application, like the dotting of the foundation, but I'm going to be blending it with the beauty blender as you see it. And this foundation is something that I really enjoy whenever I wear it. Yeah, then I have gone ahead using the same translucent powder from PAC and gone ahead and set my under eye area, a little bit around my chin, my nose, and my forehead, dabbing it very gently, and not forgetting the neck area as well. And after having this done, moving on to blush. This is one of the amazing blushes from Nykaa. I really enjoy wearing it every time. And if you ask me what sort of a person I am, I would definitely say I love wearing blush. It instantly gives you a very fresh look. And yeah, I must say I like to go like full on bam with the blush. So, but at the same time, after you have done your entire makeup, I do like to go over with the beauty blender on my entire face. That really takes away the excess of blush in case if I happen to apply any. After having applied the pink color, now I'm going ahead with a little bit of touch of this coral, and then moving on to the favorite, that is the Hoola bronzer. This brush is one of the best brushes that you get with the product, so please make sure you do not ever go ahead throwing it away. It really works very well when you need to bronze your face or even contour your face. I'm contouring my nose with it by pinching this brush. So yeah, almost done. I have gone ahead and used this lip color, which is the liquid lipstick by Huda by the name Bombshell. Gone ahead and set the entire makeup with the makeup setting spray by Color Bar, and as you can see, pushing all the product into my skin with a beauty blender, and there we go, all set, ready. Do let me know in case if you have enjoyed watching this video. If you do, please do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Until we meet again, take very good care of yourself and do what makes you happy. Wishing all you lovelies a Merry Christmas in advance. Take care and bye-bye.